It's a fish. Get it! Yeah! Yeah, buddy! That's awesome! Hey guys, check out this walleye I just caught. I'm using Pimp Daddy, the blue lipstick. Thanks to John Sullivan for giving me that at the Ultimate Fishing Show.
Nice sized walleye right here off the Detroit.
Last fish, moving to the mouth. Yeah! Yeah, buddy! Look at this, got it right in the mouth. That's awesome. Well, welcome back to another episode of Johnny Truckin' Outdoors. My name is John, and I just drove an hour north to do the giveaway like you guys saw in the previous video. Here's Caleb. This is not Christian, the guy who won the gift card, but this is his younger brother. Christian just didn't show up. So, I got the GoPro Hero 9 here, which was my first camera for YouTube, as well as the $50 Bass Pro Shop gift card, an SD card for the camera. It has a battery inside, as well as all the attachments. So, that's gonna be for your brother.
I won't touch it. That's a nice case too.
Yeah. Well, very nice meeting you.
Very nice meeting you.
And make sure you get it to your brother. Don't steal it all.
I'm not gonna take anything.
Take all the Bass Pro Shop gift card money. Well, very nice meeting you.
I hope you drive safe and good luck on the bay tomorrow.
Well,
catch lots.
We'll try to catch a ton. And maybe if you guys get into filming, we should go collab on the video.
Heck yeah, we should.
That'll be
definitely
awesome. Well, I'm going to get on the road. Well, guys, this video is sponsored by Great Lakes Gear. They just sent me this awesome t-shirt. And if you guys want to pick up a t-shirt, either you're out golfing or fishing, camping, doing something outdoors, or you just want to go to some festivities, check out Great Lakes Gear. I'll put a link in the description below and pick up some awesome clothing for your next adventure. Well, I'm going to hit the road now. Awesome. I look forward to seeing you then.
Alright, be fine.
Yep, see you in the morning.
Alright.
Bye. Well, I just got off the phone with Doug Bader, which you probably saw in my last walleye fishing video. I'm driving out to meet him. Got about a 3-hour drive out to the boat ramp, and I gotta be up by 5:45 in the morning to get fishing. So, more driving to do. Well, I just got over here to the Myers parking lot. I'm out in Detroit. I hope it's safe enough to camp out here. Cool, I'm gonna hop on in. This is where I really need some blinds. So I can stealth camp back here better. I actually decided that I'm gonna cook up some food tomorrow afternoon after walleye fishing, because right now I'm not supposed to be parking here, since I think I saw a sign here in the back of Myers stating that I wasn't supposed to camp out here, and I have lights set up, and I don't want to draw attention to my truck, especially in Detroit. I think I saw a drug deal going on over here with 2 cars pulling up and doing some stuff, and I don't want to get myself into a situation, so I want to go to sleep, and then I gotta be up by like 5:15, 5:30 in the morning. I just drove 3 hours out to this location, so it's about midnight right now, and I should get some sleep. Wheel. Turn off that light. Yeah, I really need to get some curtains up in here over all the windows so that I can camp out here better. At least the windows are slightly tinted, but it's about 35 degrees outside. I'm gonna try to fall asleep, so as always, good night. I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, everyone. It is 5:29 a.m. and it is 36 degrees out here in Lincoln Park. I'm out in Detroit, but I need to jump on the road like right now, so I'm gonna hop up and get out of here. I needed to be over towards that area like 5 minutes ago, so I need to hop up and go. But yeah, this sleeping bag got me pretty warm. I did have to zip it up pretty well. Well, I'm gonna grab my socks and my shoes and hit the road here in a sec. I will say, this topper is a little bit shorter than my last topper. My other topper I could like stand up fully. This one takes me a little second to get out. Yeah, buddy. I'm excited, man, because I'm going walleye fishing with my good buddy, Doug Bader. Doug Bader is a guy that I know I can count on catching walleye. Like, you go out walleye fishing with him, he'll hook you up. You know exactly what's going on, and you might be out there all day, but you'll limit it out and you'll have an awesome time. So, if you guys haven't checked out my previous walleye fishing trip with Doug Bader where we got limited out, check that out. Put out that video like a month and a half ago, and it already has like 3.5 thousand views. It's crazy. So, well, I'm going to hit the road. So I just walked out live bait and tackle. I picked up about, I know it's probably not the best, but I spent like 115 bucks on tons of jigs, like probably 100 jigs or so with different colors and some stinger hooks and some plastics that are working well. So we got boats rolling up here everywhere. It is crazy. I'm gonna head back to the truck, jump on the road. I think Doug Bader's already at the boat launch. And out walleye fishing. You got water here in the back of your boat?
No way.
All water right here. Water coming in. Take go back to shore if you can. Look at all this water.
That's the motor well. That's the motor well.
How?
Right there. think so. I never pulled a plug. Somebody took my phone.
There you go. Oh, we got the water out of the boat. There. Walleye fishing. Would be awesome. It is so beautiful out here. I'm so excited to get out walleye fishing. So I just hooked on a lure lipstick jig here. I think that's the perch color. Well, I'm gonna turn back on this camera when we start catching walleye. Oh, we're moving up to the river. Come on, yards. Go back out walleye fishing. Couple bites so far. Fish. Oh, you got it. Very nice walleye.
Broke the ice. There we go.
That's pretty awesome. First walleye for Doug.
16. There we go.
Nice. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Wow, that is awesome. Very nice
that was a
walleye,
good
Doug.
one. Finally one bit. There we go. There we go.
Man, I need to catch a walleye now.
Right. Doing it on the D, man.
What color's he running?
Black with the pimp daddy, for this. Come on. Size we want.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it's a good looking walleye. That's awesome.
Please don't be silly. Sheephead? We have a tree. Big walleye. Gave up already. Oh, man. It's a branch.
You got a tree!
Dude, you got a full-blown branch.
Man, you're lucky.
Wow. I don't know. I see the head shape.
Nice.
Another one by the mouth. They're getting a little nicer too. Look at that stinger.
That's a very nice walleye.
Hold on. It's got some weight. Yeah, but it's not there.
Wow, nice one. That is awesome, guys.
There we go.
Hooked right in the mouth.
You come
That was
out?
a perfect one. Yeah, it popped out.
Flat, whatever you get. Come on, baby. Yes, yeah. Dude, you kidding me? How? 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 How do you keep?
How?
How? How?
It's a fish. It's a fish.
Get it!
Yeah! Yeah, buddy! That's awesome! Hey guys, check out this walleye I just caught. I'm using a Pimp Daddy from Lure Lipstick. Thanks to John Sullivan for giving me that at the Ultimate Fishing Show. It's a beautiful walleye.
Yes, sir.
Try to catch another one.
That'd be a walleye. Oh, yeah. That's a... Whoa!
Oh, yeah, there
Did
we
he
go.
jump over the net?
Look at this walleye. Grab that hook. That is a big walleye. That is awesome. Dude.
It looked like he jumped over the net. Nice sized walleye right here off the Detroit Dirty Larry Wyandotte worm.
Yep.
One more to go.
Well. One more to go and we're limited out. This is pretty awesome out here. Last fish. Limited out.
Yeah!
Yeah, buddy. Look at this. Got it right in the mouth. That's awesome. It's awesome walleye. Congrats. What is the things on the side of their face?
They're warts, but they're just like skin, so they don't go in the meat. We always said it was
Well, guys, we are limited out.
limited out, 3-man limit.
That is awesome. Would you pop that live well?
Live well is full. Live well is
Look
full.
at that. That is crazy. That live well is
They won't even
packed.
float.
Well, that was a very successful trip. Now we're going to head back to shore. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I just finished taking photos with Doug and his friend Ryan with the walleye. It's so awesome limiting out. I didn't catch too many. I got a couple. They got the majority, but I'm learning how to catch walleye a whole lot better. I am heading through crazy traffic from Detroit out to the other side of the state to go hang out with my dad, and then I'll be cooking up some food on the back of my truck. Stay tuned. Dinner should be awesome. Let's go. Hey, what's up everyone? So I just got back towards my area of the state. I need to go ahead and flay up a bunch of walleye here. So I'm gonna start getting busy on that. And then after I flay up a couple, then I'll probably go ahead and cook up a section this evening for dinner. These are perfect size eaters. They're awesome. Come down like that, and then follow the backbone. I like this knife. It's nice and sharp, and it bends. And that is a beautiful white fillet. I got another walleye here. Just to show you guys how I do it. Like that. And I turn and just go around top of its rib cage and just follow my knife all the way down its back there. And then I just open it up like this and start pulling it over its rib cage. Now we're down here. I'm gonna just lay my knife, peel it down like that. Now we're gonna pull this up. I'm gonna leave the skin attached there. I'm gonna take my knife, stick it in. You're just peeling off the skin. Now you got this beautiful chunk of meat here. You're going to find those pin bones which run right back through here. You're going to take your knife. You're going to just run it along where all those pin bones are. This little section out here with all the pin bones. So this dinner is going to be pretty simple. I got this piece of walleye, I sprinkled 5 salt and 5 pepper, which is a herby seasoning on it. I'm gonna put that in the pan, and then I'm gonna put some fresh dill and fresh lemons on the top of it. It should give it a simple, delicious taste and not super overpowering with seasoning or whatever else. So that's what I'm gonna be cooking up this evening. Hey, what's up everyone? Just finished cooking up that walleye that I caught earlier today. Dry piece. Oh my goodness. That's some of the best walleye I've ever had. It's just flaking, falling apart. Grab massive chunks. Walleye is so good. Well, I just downed that walleye. That walleye was so delicious, and I'm a tad hungry. First of all, if you guys could throw a massive thumbs up on this video and like this video, as well as comment down below, that would really help me out. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and help me reach my goal of 4,000 subscribers on the channel. I do want to give a couple shout outs. First of all to Doug Bader, that one of my best friends that took me out fishing today and got me on all those walleye, as well as Lure Lipstick with John Sullivan, who gave me a bunch of baits and jigs to use for walleye fishing, as well as Great Lakes gear. They make awesome shirts like I'm wearing right now. They're perfect for fishing or doing stuff outdoors or whatever else. So if you guys get a chance, check out Great Lakes gear and pick up some of their apparel. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to check out their company. But as always, stay outdoors, stay amazing, keep on trucking. I'll see you guys on my next adventure. Take care.